Today I show you how to add a new language to your Samsung Galaxy phone, and not a display language, but a typing language. So if you want to have the display language in English, if you want to be able to type in another language, you don't really have to change the display language of your phone. I keep it in English, it's easier to have it in English. And to see the actual typing language, you have to open an app that supports the keyboard, and then you will see this keyboard here. To see the keyboard, you have to open an app that has a keyboard typing input, and the keyboard will pop up here as usual, it will show. And this is the Samsung keyboard here. I have lots of options in the settings, and the settings, and always the settings are these gear icons. So if you have a gear icon, that's the setting. And I have here the settings for the Samsung keyboard. And if you see languages and types, and then you have lots of other settings for emojis, predictive text. Languages and types is what we're looking at here. I want to change the input language, and that's one of these here. But you might also want to look at the language switching method, which is language key or the spacebar swipe, or both. Language key and spacebar swipe, or only language key or spacebar swipe also. I will leave it as it is there. And here I have English and Russian, and I could choose manage input languages, and I could even add any language here. Any language you might want to add, you will be able to add it here. And I can search here. I could say Romanian and then Roman. Toggle the switch there is very easy. So you see it there. Now this is one of the input languages. I could change the order if I wanted to. I could put Romanian first if I wanted to, like this. But it's really up to you how you have them. You can do that also. And now if I close these settings, on the Google keyboard you long press on the space, you choose the language, but on the Samsung keyboard there is a language key here. So I press this globe, it will switch the language to the language I want. And if I long press it, it will give me the option to select one of them. So I'll choose the Romanian, which I added now. The predictive text or text correction here, it's already giving me suggestions in Romanian because that's what I chose here. Run in the morning, I guess. So you can switch English, Russian, and Romanian. And with the Romanian, I get these extra characters, but it's very easy to type. It's very easy to type like this. The predictive text, you have to type a little bit of at least few letters of the word to do that, because otherwise it will just make some random suggestions, random guesses. This is how you add a new input language for the keyboard when you type on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. Let me know if you use this, or if you don't use it, why you don't use multiple languages on the keyboard. If you only type in English, you don't really need to use this, but if you type in other languages also, it's very important to use the correct language, so that when the predictive text will show up, it will actually show you the correct word and not some other random word, maybe not random, but a related word in English. The predictive text or the text correction will work with you and not against you in that situation, because if you have the wrong language here and you type another language, it will try to suggest you, it might even try to do autocorrect in the wrong language with the wrong words. Choose the correct language in the keyboard and it's going to be much easier to type things. Thanks for watching. Did I say before thanks for watching? I think I did. Oh yeah.